Vega.
Vega!
It was 1934 when my husband left me. Alone. Living on the prairie was a dreary existence. No telephone, no radio. Only a large, majestic bird with whom I shared my feelings.
You see the bird too, right?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
One day when I was feeling low, I said to him, "Oh, bird, you can fly. You can soar miles from this lonely place, yet you stay. Why?" And apparently my question rang true. For that afternoon, my bird left. And so went my spirit.
That was impressive.
So did I get it right?
Nope.
But I did too get it right.
Tori, listen.
I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but do you know how hard I worked on the scene? I made this costume. I downloaded special prairie music. I even trained that crazy cockatoo to fly in and out of that window on command. Not now. Look, I know you're a great acting teacher and everything, but I don't care what you say. The scene I just did was good. And I'm proud of it, no matter what anybody thinks. What?
You just passed the bird scene!
But you said...
Tori, the whole point of the bird scene is to teach a performer like yourself to believe in your own choices, no matter what others think. We are artists, and a true artist does not define success based on approval from others. A true artist need only please himself, or herself, or its self. You don't know what I got.
So, all 3 times I did the scene...
Were delightful. It was only wrong when you asked if it was right. Drive-by acting exercise. You're all elderly people walking barefoot on broken glass. Go!
Ah!